Hello everyone. In this particular video, we're gonna see how we can print factorial of a particular number. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, let's create a method. I will need a void method only, and method name will be factorial of number. We'll take one number as a argument. Then here, first we'll define int fact is equal to 1. Whenever if we do multiplication, we usually save the number which we want to multiplicate as a 1. So here I will just put a for loop from int I is equal to 1 to I is less than equal to num. Here our num is number and I plus plus. So we will traverse from I is equal to 1 to the number and will print or we'll print the multiplication. So here we'll do fact is equal to fact into I. Now what it will do, first it will take the number, it will multiply the number to the fact. So if suppose I've taken number 5, then 5 equal to 1, then uh, then 4 into 5, 3 into 20, like that it will print. And at the end, out of for loop, we will just use a print statement and will print factorial of number and plus the fact variable. So this particular program will print factorial of a number. Let's create a number here. I will create a factorial for 5 and then we'll call this particular method and we'll pass the number here, and this will print factorial of our given number. So here you can see it printed factorial of 5, which is 120. You can go and check on the calculator as well. So in this particular way we can find out factorial of a given number.